They don't make them like they used to. You may have heard this statement about your old electronics, cars, and many general use items, including mobile phones. But is there any truth to this? Yes, there is. Modern electronics are not designed to last a lifetime or to last long, and this is because of planned obsolescence. The term planned obsolescence was first used in 1932 in Bernard London's pamphlet titled Ending the Depression Through Planned Obsolescence. The main point of the pamphlet was to promote a design in consumer electronics that make them unusable or undesirable after a while, so that people keep purchasing, thereby keeping the economy afloat. In the modern age, various industries, from automotive to fast fashion, from smartphones to sneakers, employ planned obsolescence to drive up their sales. Everything is not designed to last a lifetime, but is designed for you to buy the new model after a while. Take your smartphone. For example, can you replace your smartphone battery by yourself? Most people can't. Now, people will say that irreplaceable batteries make the phone more compact, stylish, and waterproof. But that's just not true. Samsung actually made a compact, waterproof, battery replaceable smartphone. They know how to do it, but Samsung changed its design language just to drive up sales, basically limiting the product lifespan to its shortest lived component. There is good news in this regard, as the EU will force phone manufacturers by 2026 to design user-replaceable battery phones. Now, this is an example of driving up sales by changing their design. But there are many other methods of obsolescence, such as perceived obsolescence, systematic obsolescence, programmed obsolescence, and legal obsolescence. Let's talk about them one by one, starting with perceived obsolescence. In this type of obsolescence, the manufacturer will release a new model with slightly better features, a better look, a better marketing to make the older model look undesirable. This is seen in automobiles, fast fashion, smartphones, you name it. It's everywhere. Moving on to systematic obsolescence. This type is basically stopping the support for something. It could be giving no drivers for the graphic card, no update for your operating system, or simply changing the charging port on your device, as was notoriously done in MacBooks. Next is programmed obsolescence, which means the equipment will stop you from using it through software, even though the hardware is fully capable of the task. This is done by truck companies and various electronic companies. Printer companies are infamous for doing this. Finally, there is legal obsolescence, in which a law is used to decrease the use of certain products. For example, many European countries subsidize electric cars to increase ownership and make diesel and gasoline cars obsolete. Like most people, I don't think this should be the case. We should not need to spend again and again for a slightly better product. There are obviously alternatives in the smartphone market and now even in laptops, and the right to repair movement is gaining momentum. Hopefully, we'll see products that last a long time.